morning student. In the previous video we start our practice set 12. In the practice set 12 we find HCF. Okay, find HCF by using the prime factor method. Now today we are going to learn how to find out the HCF by division method. डिव्हिजन मेथडनी आपल्याला HCF काढायची आहे. ते कशा प्रकारे काढायचं ते आज आपण बघणार आहोत. ओके, and also we have to write the reduce that ratio in the simplest form. Okay, so practice set 12 question number 2. In a previous video we complete the question number 1. Okay, now the second question, find the HCF by the division method and reduce to the simplest form. Okay, the question number 1, 275 by 525. Okay, now look here, we have to use the division methods. So in the division method we have to divide the biggest number by the smaller number. Okay, now in the given example मध्ये पहिल्या example मध्ये काय दिलेलं आहे 275 divided by 525. Okay, so 275 is the smaller number and 525 is the bigger number. Okay, so you have to divide the bigger number by the smaller number. First step, that is divide the bigger number by the smaller number. Okay, 525 divided by 275. Okay, 275. Now look here, 275 2 okay, 2 5 are 10, carry 1, 2 7 are 14, plus 1 15, carry 1, 2 2 are 4, plus 1 5, 550. Okay, after multiplying with the 2 we get a 550. So our number is 525. So it is not divisible. So 275 1 jar 275. Okay, minus. Now subtract 275 from the 525. 5 minus 5 0. Okay, then 2 minus 7 2. So what we take 12. Okay, so 12 minus 7 5. Now this 5 become 4 minus 2 2. Okay, then this after this is the remainder 250 is the remainder, and this 275 is the divisor. 275 is the divisor. So we have to follow again, we have to divide this previous divisor. पहिलेचा जो डिवाइजर आहे त्याला 250 न डिवाइड करायचं आपल्याला. 250 न काय करायचं आहे, डिवाइड करायचं आहे. ओके, सो व्हाट वी गेट आफ्टर डिवाइडिंग 250 1 जा 250 1 जा 250. Subtract, so what we get 5 minus 0 5, 7 minus 5 2. Okay, then again look here, now this is the remainder and this is the divisor. Now again you have to follow the step of division. This 255 is the previous divisor and this previous divisor divided by 25. So what we get here 25 1 25. Okay, 25 minus 5, 0. Okay, 25, 0 ja 0. So we get 0. We get 0. So we have to follow this step until the remainder 0. Until the remainder 0. So by which divisor this numbers become 0. So that is the HCF. That is the HCF. Okay. So the HCF of 275 and 525 is a 25. Now we have to write in the simplest form. Simplest form. Okay, after this you have to write the simplest form. 275 by 525. 525. Okay. So this number is divided by 25. 275 divided by 25 and 525 is divided by 25. So what we get to here? 275 divided by 25. 25 ने आपल्याला भाग द्यायचा आहे. 25 एक 25. What we get? 7 minus 5, 2. 25 म्हणजे 25. So we get here 11. Now again look here. 525 is divided by 25. 25 to the 50. Okay, 2 minus 0, 2. 5 minus 5, 0. Okay, take a 5. 25 will be 25. Remainder 0. Okay. So after dividing, what we get? 21. So this is the simplest form of the given number. So 275 divided by 525. Okay, the simplest form is 11 upon 21. Okay. So in this problem we have to find the HCF by the division method. Division method ने आपल्याला HCF find out करायची आहे. तर division method मध्ये आपल्याला काय करायचं आहे? We have to divide कोणाला करायचं आहे? Bigger number ला divide करायचं by the smaller number. 275 हा smaller number आहे आणि 525 हा bigger number आहे. तर 525 ला smaller number ने divide करायचं 275. So 275 म्हणजे 275. So 5 minus 5, 0. नंतर 2 2 7 वजा करता येईल का? करता येणार नाही. मग याला 12 घ्यायचे. So 12 minus 7, 5. Now this return back 1 means we get 5 become 4. 5 become 4. This 4 minus 2, 2. Okay, so the number is 250. Now now look here. After that 275 is the previous divisor and that previous divisor by this remainder. तर जो previous divisor आहे, जो भाजक आहे, त्याला 250 ने जो रिमाइंडर येतो 250 ने आपल्याला डिवाइड करायचा आहे. So 250 म्हणजे 250. Okay. So what we get? 5 minus 0, 5. 7 minus 5, 2. 2 minus 2, 0. 2 minus 2, 0. Now the remainder is 25. Now this remainder become a divisor. Okay, divisor, and take 250 as a dividend. Okay, so 250 घ्यायचा. याच पद्धतीने तुम्हाला करायचं आहे. So 250 divided by 25. So what we get? 25 म्हणजे 25. Okay. So 5 minus 5, 0. 2 minus 2, 0. Then 25, 0 ja 0. Means we get remainder we get 0. तर ही स्टेप कुठपर्यंत करायची आहे? जोपर्यंत तुम्हाला 0 मिळत नाही तोपर्यंत ती स्टेप्स तुम्हाला करायची आहे. ओके. and by which number that become a 0, so that is the HCF. That is the HCF. तर HCF काय आहे आता? HCF is 25. HCF is 25. Okay. HCF काय आहे? 25 आहे. Okay. Now we have to write in the simplest form. Simplest form मध्ये तुम्हाला करायचं आहे. So 275 divided by 525. Okay. And this 275 divided by 25 and 525 is divided by 25. Okay. So divide केल्यानंतर काय येईल? 11 upon 21. So this is the simplest form. This is the simplest form. So अशा पद्धतीने तुम्हाला प्रॉब्लेम सोडवायचे आहे by using the division method. We have to find the HCF and also we have to write in the simplest form. Okay. So take a screenshot and write in a notebook. Okay. Then the next problem. Okay. Next problem. Question number third, 161 and 69. Okay, third one. 161 by 69. Okay. So by the same way, similar way, we have to solve by a bigger number is 161, smaller number is 69. So we have to divide the bigger number by the smaller number. Okay. So what we get here? We are at 61 and 69. Okay. So 69 2s are 2 9s are 18, carry 1, 2 6 are 12, plus 1 31, 38. 69 3s are 3 9s are 27, carry 2, 3 6 are 18, plus 2 2207. Okay. So we have to, what we have to? So 69 2s are 138, that we have to take. 207 is the bigger number than 161. Okay, so we consider 138, means 69 2s are 138. Okay. Now can you subtract 8 from 1? We cannot subtract. Now this become 10. Okay. So take this become 11. So 11 minus 8. 11 minus 8. What we get? 11 minus 8. 3. Okay. This become 5. 6 become 5. 5 minus 3. 2. Okay. Now look here. After that. Now this is a remainder. This remainder become a divisor. Okay. And this divisor, previous divisor become a dividend. 69. Okay. So what we get here? 23 2s are 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 2 2s are 4. Then 23 3s are 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6. Okay, 69 we get. So 23 3s are 69. Now remainder become a 0. Remainder become 0. So what is the HCF then? 23 is the HCF. 23 is the HCF. Okay, HCF is that we have to write. HCF is 23. Now write in the simplest form 161 divided by 69. So 161 divided by 23, okay, and 69 divided by 23. तर 69 ला 23 ने भाग द्यायचा आहे आपल्याला. भाग दिल्यानंतर काय येईल बघा, 69 23 3 जा 69 and 23 3 3 जा 9, no, 4 3 जा 12, 5 3 जा 15, 6 3 जा 18, 7, okay, 7 3 जा 21, carry 2, 7 2 जा 14 plus 2 16, means 161 we got, means 23 7 जा, what we get, 161. So this is the simplest form. This is the simplest form of the given number. Okay. So like that we have to find the HCF by using the division method and also write in a reduced form. That is the simplest form. So what you have to remember? आपल्याला काय remember करायचे आहे? Bigger number. First is divide the bigger number by the smaller number. Okay, even the small number in the numerator or bigger number in the denominator. Okay, जरी smaller number आपला कुठे असला, numerator मध्ये असला किंवा bigger number denominator मध्ये असला, तरी आपल्याला काय करायचं आहे, bigger number जो आहे, bigger number ला आपल्याला divide करायचं आहे smaller number ने. First step. Okay, then after that whatever the remainder get here, so that remainder become a divisor and previous divisor become a dividend. Previous divisor become a dividend. म्हणजे आपल्याला 69 ला 23 ने भाग द्यायचा आहे. भाग दिल्यानंतर 23 3 जा 69, so we get remainder 0. ही स्टेप कुठपर्यंत करायची आपल्याला, जोपर्यंत आपल्याला रिमाइंडर 0 मिळत नाही, until we get 0. जोपर्यंत आपल्याला 0 मिळत नाही तोपर्यंत ही स्टेप करायची आहे. So by which divisor that numbers become a 0, remainder become a 0, so that is the HCF. ते काय झालेला HCF. तर HCF 23 आलाय. मग 23 ने आपल्याला त्या नंबर्सला भाग द्यायचा आहे. ओके, 161 divided by 23 and 69 is divided by 23. So what we get, 23 7 are 161 and 23 3 are 69. So this is the simplest form. Okay, so today we learn the division method to find the HCF and also the simplest form of the given number. Okay, so like that you can solve the practice set 12. Problem number 2 is the homework. Okay, problem number 2, that is the 76 upon 133 is the homework. This is the homework. Okay, so we have to use the division method. Okay, find HCF, okay, and take the reduced form of that number, given number. Okay, so today we stop here. In the next video we will see the how to find out the LCM, least common multiple. Till then, goodbye.